Yo, what's up guys and welcome to today's video. This is my damaged Citroen C1. This vehicle has sustained a front end damage, and due to this damage it has been registered with the insurance as a category N. So in today's video we'll be changing this driver's side wing, bumper, bonnet and also the driver's side headlight. So first things first, let's get this vehicle jacked up. Okay, so now that the car has been put on some stands, it allows me more access under the wheel arch without having to remove the wheel, so I can take off the splash guards. So let's do this.
Yeah, ain't shit sweet, ain't shit funny. Look, it's blue tints on my hundreds. Life been going how I want it, yeah. Life been lit just how I want it, yeah, yeah. Now she talking like she want me, yeah. Ayy, wave. Look, life been lit just how I want it. Fuck, I look like.
So next we're going to remove the headlights and the bumper. I am going to leave the bonnet on for now just because it is starting to rain, just in case I need to stop this video and also protect the engine. So let's get on with it.
Yeah, ain't shit sweet, ain't shit funny. It's blue tints on my hundreds. Life been going how I want it. Big bands like a main event, already paid the rent. Feeling like winning my favorite shit, boy I was made for this. Flex mode on gym rat, I been that young legend, oh. Them boys can't fuck with it, I ain't shy, I'ma let them know. All of my bitches be multiples of 10, I'm fed to win, All of my niggas be comfortable with sins from his to gin, Niggas be hating.
Okay, so the headlight and the bumper have now been removed. We're going to remove this driver's side wing because it is actually preventing this door from fully opening.
Just when looking at you open up my eyes, and I'll stay with you forever all the time, and I'm stepping out to leave it all behind. I'm confident your love will be my side. Just when looking at you open up my eyes, and I'll stay with you forever all the time, and I'm stepping out to leave it all behind. I'm confident your love will be my side. Hold out your hand, yeah. Every day you're with me when I think I can't stand, yeah. You got big things coming, part of your plan, yeah. Step up in your love, I say you're the one I want. The love that you were giving is salvation. You will keep me moving if I'm patient. I just wanna get right to the racing. You love me so I could not be complacent. Not afraid of the battles I've been facing. Nothing that you do is ever wasted. And you got the fire like I'm blazing. Cause I'm just tryna copy when I'm pasting. Just when looking at you open up my eyes, and I'll stay with you forever all the time, and I'm stepping out to leave it all behind. I'm confident your love will be my side. Just when looking at you open up my eyes, and I'll stay with you forever all the time, and I'm stepping out to leave it all behind. I'm confident your love will be my side.
Big mountain, what do I say? Them can never love you my way. You go low, then you go high. You go near, then you go far. You go calling round and round and round, but you're falling down and down and down. You just wanna go the distance. Promise you I'm what you're missing. Promise you my life, promise you my time, promise you no lie, yeah. Carry go, I'm on me more to carry low, oh yeah, yeah. Oh na 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 na, oh na 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 na.
Just when looking at you open up my eyes, and I'll stay with you forever all the time, and I'm stepping out to leave it all behind. I'm confident your love will be my side. Just when looking at you open up my eyes, and I'll stay with you forever all the time, and I'm stepping out to leave it all behind. I'm confident your love will be my side.
Yeah, 23. I got shooters and they with me and they never miss. 23, yeah, 23. I got shooters and they with me and they never miss. 23, 23, yeah, 23. I got shooters and they with me and they never miss. 23, 23, yeah, 23. I got shooters and they with me and they never miss. I put the squad on my back, and going forward we ain't never looking back. I don't came a long way, now I laugh. I bought the
Okay guys, so that's it for today's video. I will be getting that broken windscreen repaired professionally. If you did enjoy it, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button, comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Take care.
Just one looking at you, open up my eyes, and I'll stay with you forever all the time. And I'm stepping out to leave it all behind. I'm confident your love will be my side. Just one looking at you, open up my eyes, and I'll stay with you forever all the time. And I'm stepping out to leave it all behind. I'm confident your love will be my side.